Take a square sheet of paper and fold it in half. Open and fold diagonally in the opposite direction. Open and fold on the side like this. Now, fold this line onto the upper line here. Turn the sheet and fold the other half upward. Then, open in this direction. Fold like this. Now, fold this half upward. Repeat this step on the other side. When you open the sheet, you should have these squares. Fold the tip of the center top. Turn the sheet and fold this part of the center line. Repeat this step on the other side. You must have this form. Press here to tighten the crease. At the same time, fold here. You should have this form. Repeat this step on the opposite side. Open and fold on this line. Make this fold. Close both sides like this. Fold the tip here like this. Fold that part to the right, and this part downward. Fold both parts like this. Here, you have both wings and the tail. Find the beak inside and fold it out to finish your origami.